Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Henry Eugene Rogers here with a public service announcement, and this one's gonna be a doozy. Alright, look here. Okay, you know how people come to your door, whether they're a salesman or some type of solicitation or something, whether it's Jehovah's Witness, they're selling steaks, vacuums, body oils, or whatever, where they just come to your door like real early in the morning, like they weren't thinking before they knocked, what time is it? You know, but last Monday, and I meant to get on here and tell y'all about it, but it slipped my mind, had a lot going on. I get a knock on the door about 8:10 in the AM. I'm like, what kind of bull hockey is this? I look out the door, it's Jehovah's Witness. Okay, I open it up. And they're like, well, you look like you're busy. So how about we just leave these pamphlets with you and come back later on in the week and you can tell us what you thought about it. Oh, okay. We can do that. But how about this? You give me your address and I'll go over the pamphlets and then I'll come to your house and tell you what I thought about them. Ask me if I got that address. Nope. And they ain't been back ever since. It might work for you, it might not, I'm just saying. But I gotta go. Henry Eugene Rogers signing out.